Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have 50 USD only, then simply practice or do this strategy in order for you to what? To double your fund. So before we go into it deeply, if this is your first time coming across to this channel, do subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. So this is what you do. The first thing you must do is to make sure you choose the right coin. Look at the coin that is highly flexible, the coins that always goes up and down. After making your choice, you must make sure that you check out the 24 hours turnover, which is the trading volume. If you don't know where it is, this is what we call the trading volume or the 24 hours turnover. Take a look at this carefully. And the second thing you must do is to choose your durations. 15 minutes trade, 1 hour trade, which one do you want to do? And the third thing you must understand is to look out the candle. I've told you the candle movement that signals the buy and also signals the sell. I've made some video for that in the past and they're still available on the channel. I'll also leave them at the descriptive section so that you can actually use them to guide your trade. So with this particular strategy I'm about to show it to you, you will be able to double your fund. You will be able to double your fund. So all you just need to do is to watch carefully from the beginning to the end, so that by the end of this particular video, you will be able to understand the whole stuff. Alright, so you must always look for something like this, that is a space like this. A space like this. You can see, well, let's say that each time you see a hammer, a head with a long tail, or each time you see something we call piercing. Piercing means a long red, then a green candle pop up beneath it and rise above 50% of the previous red candle. I'll drop those candlestick explanation so that you'll be able to understand them and knows how really they works. All right, so the next thing you just need to do after looking at something of this nature, this is a hammer. This is a hammer that has actually gone above 50% of the previous red candle, which is a good start and also a good beginning. And also you must look at, as at this particular red candle, where was the RSI? You must check out the RSI as well. You must check out the RSI. RSI was 13. RSI was 13. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually find your RSI settings and also make a proper settings or be aware of the particular settings that are available. All right, look at the RSI. So if RSI was 13.8 then, RSI was 13.8 then, and where was the MACD? Look at the MACD indicator. The MACD indicator was also here, that is about crossing the signal line. I told you in my previous video that the MACD indicators line is the blue line, while the signal lines is the yellow lines. So each time the MACD line is about crossing or it crosses the signal line, it means there will be an upward trend. That is a sign of a beginning of a bullish candle. Okay, so this is what actually you simply keep doing. And when you buy here, when you buy a particular cryptocurrency coin here, watch carefully until the RSI right here has changed to 70 and above. When it's above 70, then you should start preparing to sell. Okay, you should start preparing to what? To sell and exit the trade. Now let's look at this place. You can see this is the highest it goes here, which was 0.08. okay, let's see what was the RSI then. Okay, let's see what was the RSI then. You can see that RSI then was already 70 and above. it was already 70 and above, that is, it was the particular right time for you to sell your trade. And if you can still be patient as well, you can see some doji movement that moved around here. So on reaching here, you realize that there was actually a long wick up and also a small body down. This is a sign of rejections. Each time you see this sign, you should understand that this is a sign of rejections. It means the trade is about bouncing back. Okay, let's see what happened. You see, now the trade actually bounced back and drew down and also take another sharp move. You can always take this risk if you know that actually you can manage that risk. Okay, because when it comes back down sharp here, it returns again. You don't have the 100% assurance for that. So each time you see opportunity, take your opportunity and wait for another trading time. So thanks for watching to the end. I will see you in my next class. Do it, subscribe if this is your first time, like and also share so that a lot of people can gain value from it. If you have any question, you can as well drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you.